Hey y'all, I'm Pamela with Pamela Williams Interior Design, and in this interior intel, I just want to give you some information around how the idea of luxury design is changing with our changing environment and economy. So things have changed, and we've definitely moved into a more casual type of environment, casual type of culture and lifestyle from what we were living, in previous decades of humanity and all that good stuff. So consumers, like the growing millennial population, are looking for more comfortable and less formal types of vibes in our spaces. So today's luxury is becoming more about the details than it is about the price tag. So luxury can really be quite simple if you want it to be, by incorporating just a unique finish to a furniture piece, or by adding some kind of elegant hardware to a furniture piece that you have that's existing, or even pulling in elements of like an area rug that's been handcrafted or artisan crafted. Like those types of elements definitely do help to add a luxury experience to your space and a luxurious vibe. So materials also make a difference in quality, which then makes a difference in the level of luxury that you're experiencing. So this goes for not only furniture, but textiles as well. So, the higher quality the material, the closer you are to luxury. So just keep that in mind as you do start to source and look for things to incorporate into your space. But on the flip side of that, luxury doesn't actually have to mean high cost. So historically, the term luxury does suggest a significant investment into your home or furniture and things like that. But that's not always feasible for a lot of consumers. So that doesn't mean that you can't still have a luxurious experience because you don't want to spend a lot of money on different things in your home. So luxury is becoming more about comfort and intention than it is about price tag. So as your designer, I ask the question, what do you want to happen in the space? What do you need to use the space for? How does it need to serve you? And then go from there in terms of how to pull in that luxury experience so that you do have a healthier, happier lifestyle. So for example, take a sectional. If the sectional is the right color, it's the right size, it has the right proportion to other things in your space, it's comfortable, love it, then that is a luxury experience. No, you might not have to spend tons and tons of money on it, but that doesn't mean that it's still not pulling in that aspect of luxury into your home. So whatever you do, whatever you choose, it needs to be functional, it needs to be comfortable, and it needs to fit into the design aesthetic, no matter what the cost is. Things to consider is that price is not the deciding factor for what ultimately equates to luxury. It's about the experience, it's about the multifunctionality of the piece, it's about whether or not this piece can be customized to then fit into your space that much more. So the details do play a major factor when you do talk about that luxury experience, because when you walk into the world of customization, you're adding a different level of detail that allows you to have more connectivity to your space and allow that piece to fit into the overall design aesthetic that much more. And that is just really all about the details. So if you are designing on a budget, I do always recommend at least starting with one luxury piece, maybe two, where you do take the time to, save or do whatever you need to do, put that money aside to really invest in that one or two pieces, and then go from there and build from there. And then keep in mind, when you do invest in a luxury piece, that's a piece that you'll be able to take with you to different spaces, or you'll be able to keep building upon. It's going to last you for a very long time because it looks good, it feels good. You'll be able to mix and match it with other things if you want to change up your design aesthetic in a space. And to me, for the way that I design for my clients is to incorporate that juxtaposition between super high-end luxury design and the middle ground, or on the more economical side of luxury design, because that does create this level of contrast in your space that can be beautiful and functional just as well as having everything high end. And to me, with anything more of the same of one thing just gets boring over time. So including that juxtaposition does help. And then keep in mind, you might want to switch it up. People change every day. Your taste might change. You might want to completely wipe out what you have and start fresh and create a whole different vibe. So with that, you might not want to, try to include super high-end pieces all over the place, because there might be some things that you do want to get rid of to replace with other things. So find the balance and be creative when it comes to developing your own luxury experience. And I just hope that this information helps you to see luxury design in a different way, helps you to open you up to different ways that you can pull in luxury into your home. If you don't already have a luxurious home, and if you need any help, please check us out at PamelaWilliams.design. And thank you so much for watching.